this just came in. I purchased it at B&H, on the B&H website. It was one of their daily specials. We got it for $19.99. And I purchased 2 of them. One I'm going to give away as a gift. And now they're going, I think, for $60 or $65. So it was a good deal. I got it for a good price. I'm going to just kind of open it up, show it to you. And I'm going to put it on the phone to give you an idea of how it's going to work. These lights work great. You know, when I'm going to use it to make my videos so that I'll have more light on the actual product. And it's going to be nice to have as an additional light to have in my toolbox of making my amateur videos. So I like the idea that comes with everything. Comes with a light and a setup. I used to have a large one. I ended up selling that one because it was just too big. And I was not using it because it was too big to use. It's USB powered. I don't think it's going to come with an adapter, so you're going to probably have to provide your own adapter. I'll have all this at the end. Comes with a tripod. Wow, seems very sturdy tripod. Nice, got weight to it. Okay. I think this is a gooseneck. Yep, it's a gooseneck. Cool. This is the phone mount. Another mount to put this all together. And this is the 10-inch LED ring light with mini tabletop tripod. Pretty cool, especially if you're on a video call, but I'm going to be using actually to film. So the camera or the phone I'm using to film videos, I'm going to mount it onto here. So let me just put it together and you get a better idea of how it looks. Let me just do a couple of measurements. Let me measure the actual cable, and you're going to probably need to provide your own USB adapter to power it. But I don't think this is battery powered, so you're gonna need a power source. And the actual USB cable is physically affixed to the actual unit, so it's not removable. Be careful, don't pull on it hard. You do not want to break that. It's about 6 feet 1 inch, I'm going to call it, 73 inches long. It should be 10 inches. Yep, 10 inches. Cool. Just in case you were curious. This is a look around the actual item. It doesn't seem very well made, honestly. I think $20 is more than enough. But it does come with some nice additions. So that's pretty cool. just plug it in to see. Okay. I'm gonna go to low. Let me turn off the lights and get a better view. That's all the way down. Let's go all the way up. That's pretty bright. I don't have a light tester or sensor or scale, a light, some kind of tool that'll let me know all the light lumens and all that stuff. I guess you'll see it on here. It should tell you the brightest and the lowest. Let me see what this button in the middle is. Oh. That's cool. Changes it to cool. It's different. I just put light on my products so that you can see them. I don't know all the details with lights, so bear with me. That is pretty cool. It's like 3 different ones. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. All right, then to set it up, let me just show you how tall you come off the floor with this. I might not use this tripod. I might use the tripod I'm actually using right now. About 3.5 inches you come off from the floor. 3.5 inches. It is a nice tripod though. I'll be keeping it. I might actually just carry it with me. It's nice when you need a tripod in an emergency situation. So I think the way we will set this up, you know what, maybe I will keep this tripod here to do my videos. My little stage area. It's off to the kitchen. It's on the, it's one of the kitchen countertops. Then I'm gonna take this, the gooseneck, and put it in here, right in here. Cool. And now, this is it right here. Most people will be using it this way, how it's meant to be used. I probably will be using it the other way. Cool. There's a screw thing there to tighten. The pieces seem well made. The light, not too much, but the pieces, yes. As long as it works. So let me show you with a phone on it. I guess you'll be doing sort of like a selfie type of thing. This moves. Cool. So I guess kind of put this on there. It's not turning on. Sorry, technical difficulty. So this is how you probably will use it. That is cool. I really like it. I am very happy with my purchase. I like it. It's going to work very well to shine light on a product. That is nice. So then this is definitely a keeper. I'm keeping this thing. This is pretty cool. So, and I'm sure that the person I'm giving it to is going to actually enjoy it. Awesome. Cool. So let me show you how I'm going to set it up. It's going to be more so this is how I'm going to be using it. This is so cool, and it's you can move this around as much as you can to make sure that the edges don't come out in the video, and it's fine. So let me show you. Well, I guess we can see it on the screen. I'll show you on the screen. So let's turn off the lights to see how much of a bigger difference it is from. Ooh, that's not good. So you just learned something. Well, I'm gonna actually, I just learned something, and I'm gonna let you know what I just learned. I'm gonna put one of the feet forward here so that when I'm actually working on the screen, it doesn't fall forward, because it is top heavy. So, you know, be careful. It is top heavy. And, okay. So just put one of the legs like that in the front, because if you have it like this, whatever direction you have, if you're facing this way, have one of the feet facing you, so that way the actual leg, this leg here, the front leg, while you're working on your phone and touching it, the opposite side has enough support, to make sure that it has enough support in the front that it doesn't fall forward, because it is top heavy. Okay, so we're filming. Okay, I'm filming the little dog and my little cup that my sister gave me that I'm very, very, very happy about. I love this cup. She also gave me a shirt. It's pretty cool. My sister's the best. So let's turn it off to see how it looks. Turn it back on. It's good. I like it. It didn't whitewash it or anything. It looks nice. I have, you know what? I'm turning off my light so that it doesn't glare off the screen that you're watching. So again, let's turn it on and off. Turn it on. It's cool. I really like this light. Very, very nice. I am very happy with my purchase. All right, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. Please subscribe and like the video. Have a good day. Bye.
Look at and setting up Apexel 10 inches LED ring light with mini tabletop tripod and smartphone holder. BH APL-10JJ13Y MFR APL-FL10JJ13Y 11-2022. Cost $19.99. Purchased on B&H website. In the box, Apexel 10 inches LED ring light with mini tabletop tripod and smartphone holder. 10 inches LED ring light. Mini tripod. Ball head mount. Smartphone holder. Limited 1-year warranty. Key features: 10 inches adjustable ring light. 10 brightness settings. White, yellow and warm yellow color modes. Holds 2.6 to 3.7 inches wide smartphones. Show more. Content creators and work-from-home professionals alike will enjoy an upgrade in video quality when using the Apexel 10 inches LED ring light with mini tabletop tripod and smartphone holder. Whether you're teleconferencing or shooting a makeup tutorial. Apexel APL-FL10JJ13Y overview. Content creators and work-from-home professionals alike will enjoy an upgrade in video quality when using the Apexel 10 inches LED ring light with mini tabletop tripod and smartphone holder. Whether you're teleconferencing or shooting a makeup tutorial, you can look your best when using the included 10 inches ring light with adjustable brightness and color temperatures. It mounts directly to a mini tripod for tabletop use, and a holder places your smartphone right in the middle of the light, which is conveniently powered via an optional power adapter or power bank using the included USB cable. Additional features: white, yellow, and warm yellow color modes. 10 brightness settings. 360 degrees phone and light rotation. 1/4 tripod mount. 2.4 to 5.5 inches of tripod height based on leg positioning. Inline remote for controlling power, brightness, and color modes. Bendable phone holder to achieve the ideal camera angle. Portrait or landscape orientation. Silicone feet for added stability. UPC 749,403,386,440. Apexel APL-FL10JJ13Y specs. General. Compatibility not specified by manufacturer. Ring light size 10.0 inches 25.4 centimeters. Smartphone holder phone width 2.6 to 3.7 inches 6.6 x 9.4 centimeters. Phone height 4.92 inches 12.5 centimeters. Tripod height 2.4 to 5.5 inches 6.1 to 14 centimeters. Tripod mount 1/4. Rotation 360 degrees. Power source USB, built-in. Physical. Cable length not specified by manufacturer. Dimensions 1x 0.8 inches 26 x 20.5 millimeters. Ring light 7.5 inches 19 centimeters. Tripod length, closed. Weight not specified by manufacturer. Packaging info. Package weight 1.225 pounds. Box dimensions, LXWXH, 11.9 x 10.3 x 1.6 inches.